back. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Dion Regia and we're at Nambi Fashion. So today I brought you guys another product we have, and this is a high waist shaping or yoga pants. And this yoga pants, you can see I'm wearing one of them right here, and this one I'm going to show you more clearly. So this shaping pants, as you can see, it has an inner coating. Every part of the inner material has its own coating, and this coating is going to help. It has actually 3 uses. One of them is it can increase perspiration. So when you're wearing this, all your body is going to be able to sweat, because you can see this film is really going to help with perspiration, and also it's going to help with fat burning. So while you wear this and work out or move around the house, you're going to burn a lot of fat. And also it's really easy to clean. This is easy to clean, as you can see, and it's also easier to dry, because as you can see, you just wash it and you just hang it up. It's really easy and quick to dry, so you don't have to worry about this. And another thing about this yoga pants is its material. It's made of spandex and polyester, and the inner one is polyurethane. This inner coating is polyurethane, so it's really helpful. And also this shaping pants has 3 rows of hooks. As you can see, it has 3 rows of hooks. This really helps us because it's going to make it easy to adjust to your waist size. If you have a large waist size, then this can really adjust it, because you have 3 options to wear it. It gives you more time, more opportunity to wear this shaping pants. And also this is really elastic, as you can see. It's really elastic, so it can shape you. You can have a look, it can shape you. And it can tighten your thighs. Also your waist, it can flatten your belly and your thighs and your calves, so that you're going to be more shapier than before, okay? And this yoga pants comes with different sizes. We have sizes from small to 4 extra large, 5 extra large, depending on what you want, you let us know, okay? So this really light and easy fabric has a lot of benefits, and if you're interested, you can let us know. You can check out our Instagram page, or you can check out our website and make your orders, all right? So we have a look one last time. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I'll see you guys next time with more videos. Bye.